Welcome to a different video. This is going to be a review on the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro for Better Foam. I have recently acquired it and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, explain the features of it, and then show you a clip that I've already recorded of me using my current one versus this one. So first on the box, it's got new generation for thicker foam, more functions, easier using, bigger capacity and stabler for standing, and I'll explain that in a minute. I've got the directions on the back on how to use it. It's got FL Pro on the side, I'm not sure what that means. It's also got how-to pictures on how to clean your car with the snow foam cannon, which is okay for beginners. And at the back, the bottom, it's got what's new with the Generation Foam Cannon Pro. And I'll explain the features it's got when I open it up. So let's get into it. So first off, you've got this really cool shaped bottle, which it stops it from toppling over, because with my current one I've knocked it over so many times that the nozzle has actually cracked and I've had to super glue it quite a few times, probably 3 times now. So it's great to have this shaped bottle, so it's always, sturdy, better standing, like they said on the box. On the measurements, it goes up to 1,000 milliliters, but you can't see it because it's not focusing, but it does say up to 1,000 milliliters. And then you've got that little extra bit there, so that's actually 1,200 milliliters, so more than a litre, which is good if you're doing a bigger vehicle. And then you've got this nozzle here. It's got a nice flexi tube, so basically whichever angle you hold your snow foam cannon, it's always going to be drawing your fluid, your snow foam, so that's great. And also the weight at the bottom helps move this tube. And also at the bottom of this, it's got like a mesh filter as well. Again, it won't focus, I'm sorry guys, but that's actually to prevent you from sucking up bits of dirt that gets stuck inside your actual nozzle, which I've had that happen as well in my other one. So yeah, that's good. And you've got this attachment for your pressure washer. Mine's a Karcher, so I've got the Karcher pressure washer attachment, and it's got this really cool design like attachment, so you basically just press it on there, tighten it up, make sure that your attachment's the correct orientation, keep screwing it, and then it literally locks it into place. So make sure it's nice and tight, and now it's locked, which is great. It's also got the foam adjustment knob on the top, and you can see it's got like small, and then it goes bigger and then large, so basically it tells you which direction, if you want more foam or less foam. I always have it on the more foam, because foam, love foam. And in the box you also get a spare nozzle. I believe it's if you've got a less powerful pressure washer, and you could change it to a bigger nozzle at the end there, but mine worked fine with the nozzle pre-installed, so I'm happy with that. And also it comes with 2 mesh filters, so if your snow foam cannon stops producing more foam than it used to, you could swap them out. It's also another foam filter. I'm not sure what the foam filter is for, so if anybody knows, please tell me. And I think that's it for the box. You've also got a leaflet as well. Again, tells you a bit more information on it. So, yep. And also back to this nozzle, you could also adjust your fan pattern, so you could have it like as a jet or a nice thin fan. And also another great feature on this is you twist this red bit, and watch this, you could change it 360 angle. That is mad. So you could get under your wheel wells easier, into other places that you can't reach. It's really good. So amazing. Never had that before, so that's quite nice to try. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to click on that, and then it takes you to their main website you could buy it from. Highly recommend it. Well, we'll see in the video if it actually is that good or not. So yeah, so let's jump into the video and let's see. I have already pre-rinsed my car, and this is me just grabbing my original snow foam cannon. Bearing in mind, the snow foam that I use is Built Hamber Auto Foam, and it's not a thick foam at all. So I thought that this is the correct consistency of it. And so yeah, so you'll see me getting it all set up, changing the fan spray, and off I go. So this is, like I said, my original snow foam cannon that I've had to glue so many times because it kept falling over. As you can see, it's not very thick at all. It's just pulling the dirt down, which is good. The cleaning power is pretty good. You can see the droplets falling from the bottom of the car pretty fast. There is quite a few gaps. You can see the blue coming through more. So now I'm changing the snow foam cannon to the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And let's see if it is for better foam. Just wow, what a difference. It looks like shaving foam, and for Built Hammer's auto foam to look like that, that's pretty good, because like I said, it's not a thick foam at all. So imagine if I did use a thicker snow foam in that, it would be really foamy. Now I'm changing the nozzle to horizontal, and again that thickness is just unreal. Very good. The sound is a lot quieter as well, and it's more powerful as well, but it's definitely got a stronger flow to it. So this is the snow foam clinging on using the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And if I bring you around to the the original snow foam cannon, and it hasn't clinged on very well at all, so it makes a massive difference. Highly recommend purchasing this product, guys. I seriously thought you couldn't get a thicker foam out of auto foam, but obviously I was wrong.